Welcome back to misspelled tutorials. Today we are going to see this proofing features. In this topic, we are going to cover this two things: correct errors and check the word count. Okay, how to correct the errors in MS Word? See, when you type text in a document, by default, the word informs you if there is any contextual, spelling, or grammatical errors. Word informs you in different ways for different errors. If there is any contextual error, the word, see, I have took an image to explain you clearly. See here, if there is any contextual error in the document, it will underline the text with blue line. Okay. If there is any spelling error in the document, it will underline the text with red line. And if there is any grammatical error in document, it will underline the text with green line. Okay. So how to correct these errors? See, I'll type here something. I'll type spelling of select. I'll type wrong spelling. SLECT. Enter. See, I have typed this wrong. The spelling is SELECT. So, how to correct this error? Simply right click the mouse here and it will show many options, many suggestions. So, we can select from here. So, this is how we can correct the errors. Okay. How to check word count in MS Word? Okay. When you start typing, the word automatically counts the number of words, number of pages, and it displays the information in the status bar. If the word count is not available, you can right click the status bar and select the word count option from this menu. Okay. And see, open the document. Where you can see is open the document and look left bottom. This is the left bottom. You will see the total word count. See how many words are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, total 9 number of words in this page. So this is showing 9 words. So if I select only these 2 words, it will show here. See, 2 by 9. It will calculate the selections also. Okay, this is how we can check the word count in MS Word. Thank you. That's all for today.